Dear students, now today we are going to elaborate our question number 3rd of exercise 7A from book D1. Now that is behind of me. If you feel is there any query about this one, so now today I am giving to you a link below. So please subscribe my channel as well. I am going to you elaboration as well as if you feel is there any query, so please comment me below. I will also be respond to your post response. So we are going to start now exercise 7A from book D1. The question number 3rd is that write down the next two terms. So same as it is for like we are question number 2nd. We are again to discuss our question number 3rd. Write down the next two terms. So our sequencing part is that -5, -7, -11, -19, -35, and these two dash lines are empty lines will be also denoted that we just need to write the our next required two terms. So in this case, we just need to check that either is there anything will be common. The common will also justify four properties like addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as division. So in the first point, in the first term, that will be the -5, and the second term will be the minus of 7. If you people check that, but the common things or the common difference between these two terms, that will be the 2. If you call that we are just subtract from this one -2, then that will be the minus of 7. Okay, at the end now check that either is there 7 and 11 difference between, so that will be the minus of 4. If we are just subtract minus of 4, check that 2 multiply by 2, 2 2s are 4. So now check again, that is the our next terms -11 between -19, that will be the difference between minus of 8. In this case check that will be -2, -4, -8. The above sequence will also be decreased, and in this form the below common difference between also gradually decrease by and by, as well as the terms will be decreased. So in this in the in the next term, last term, that will be given as a sequence -19 and -35. What is the difference between? If I was not wrong, that will be the minus of 16. Check that will be the 2 after 2 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 8, 2 2s are 8 2s are 16. It means that will be the 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 1. So in this case 2 multiplied by 2, in this case 2 multiplied by 4, in this case 2 multiplied by 8. It means that the previous term will also be included over there, like 2 4 8. It means that how we can generate our next required term. So we just need to minus subtraction of like 32, cause that is the 2 multiplied by 16. So we just write this one -32. Okay, we have to write -35, minus of 35 as well as minus of 32. The answer will be 2 5s are 7 and 3 3s are 6, as well as minus of 67. The answer will be minus of 67. After this one, we just need to require our last term. For this one, we just need to check that which value we should need to subtract. That will be the 64. How we can check that 2 multiplied by 32. I will also explain in each term will be a great logic. If you feel is there any query regarding this one, you should need to review the exercise, even that all questions. I am also explaining each and everything part. Now the last one is that 32 64. That will be the -64, -67 plus -64, which is -67 minus of 64. We just need to subtract. 4 plus 7, that will be 11. Now 1 will also be carried. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 1, that will be the 13. It means that minus 131. That will be our answer. These are our basically two terms that we are going to be generated. Now we just write next two terms. Next two terms are -67, -67 and minus 131. So the question will be ended. If you feel is there any queries, so please like and subscribe. If you feel is there any queries, you should need to just review this video, and if you feel is there any point regarding this question, so please like and subscribe. I will also be mention question query in comment. I will also respond to you. Thank you so much.